Let's uncover the color silver, an English language journey. Hello English learners, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and widely used color description, the color silver. Understanding and accurately using color descriptions can greatly enhance your English communication, especially when describing objects. So, buckle up and let's explore the world of silver. Silver is a color often described as a shiny, metallic shade, similar to gray. It's named after the precious metal called silver, which has a distinctive shiny gray-white appearance. The use of the term silver to describe this color in English is common in many contexts, from fashion and design to product descriptions. Now, let's look at how we can use the color silver in a sentence. 1. She was wearing a beautiful silver necklace. 2. The silver car in the parking lot is mine. 3. I love the silver light of the moon on quiet nights. Remember, silver can be used to describe anything with a similar color tone, not just metallic objects. English language also has idiomatic expressions that involve the color silver. For example, 1. Every cloud has a silver lining. This means that every difficult or sad situation has a comforting or more hopeful aspect, even though this may not be immediately apparent. 2. Born with a silver spoon in their mouth. This is used to describe someone born into a wealthy and privileged family. Well, that's our journey through the color silver. Remember, understanding and using these color descriptions will help you paint a vivid picture with your words when speaking or writing in English. Keep practicing and I'm sure you'll master the use of silver in no time. Until next time, happy learning!